Welcome to AGI Revolution Channel. Here, we explore the frontiers of artificial intelligence.
Warehouses, robots are taking over roles once reserved for people. The rise of autonomous machines is the front line of a technological revolution reshaping our world. Today, we're diving into the power shift happening right before our eyes. From China's Wolfpack robots to Amazon's AI revolution, here's how robots are taking over. We'll break down military machines, AI-driven commerce, and humanoids rewriting what it means to work and learn. Stay with me as we explore the cutting edge of robotics, where business, defense, and daily life are getting an AI upgrade. Subtitles are available. Let's get into it. Let's start with China's Wolfpack army. Robot dogs aren't just viral videos, they're specialized machines with military roles. There's Shadow for stealthy recon, Polar for harsh environments, and Bloody, the armored, weaponized heavy hitter. What sets them apart? Teamwork. Drones relay intel overhead, while robot dogs coordinate below. This is autonomy. Each unit syncs in real time. Every robot is a chess piece with its own AI, making tactical decisions instantly. The ATLS, Autonomous Tactical Link System, is the secret sauce. It lets the Wolfpack operate even when GPS and radios are jammed. ATLS forms a digital hive mind, sharing data and executing maneuvers without outside help. Militaries can deploy autonomous teams that adapt in real time, independent from humans. If a squad gets cut off, they keep moving, fighting, and working together. These Wolfpacks aren't just for offense, they're programmed for search and rescue, disaster response, and urban policing. Their sensors can listen for voices under rubble, or track fugitives in cities. But there's a dark side. More autonomy means less human oversight. What if they get hacked, or make unpredictable decisions? That's the billion-dollar question, and China isn't alone. The US, Russia, and Israel are racing to build their own networked combat robots. The era of the lone super soldier is ending. This is the age of the digital Wolfpack. Swarms adapt tactics instantly. Drones flank. Robots lay down fire. AI commanders never sleep. Battlefield strategy is being rewritten, with machines leading the charge. With machine vision and neural networks, the Wolfpack can spot threats and anticipate enemy moves. China can deploy thousands at a moment's notice. The global arms race is about smarter machines, not just bigger bombs. So next time you hear about robot dogs on patrol, remember, it's not just a gadget. It's the front line of a new kind of warfare where algorithms and sensors matter as much as armor. The question is, are we ready for armies that aren't human? The battlefield is changing, fast, and the world is watching. Now let's shift gears. While China builds Wolfpacks, Silicon Valley is leading a robot revolution in business and logistics. Jeff Bezos just launched a $100 billion AI fund. A declaration that the future of work belongs to robots. Amazon's rolling out machines like Fauna, their autonomous warehouse critter, and Sprout, the inventory organizing robot. These aren't just upgrades, they're the backbone of Amazon's plan to automate fulfillment. Elon Musk is in the game too, with his secretive AI data center powering Tesla's Optimus robots. Optimus Humanoids tackle dangerous or repetitive tasks, learning from millions of real-world interactions. Mark Zuckerberg's digital twin project aims to create AI replicas of real people. Digital versions that can shop, learn, or negotiate for you. Every robot and AI is hungry for data. The more they collect, the smarter they get. Amazon's robots optimize movement, Musk's robots master dexterity, and Zuckerberg's twins soak up human conversation. This ecosystem is growing fast. Amazon's AI fund is fueling startups in delivery drones and smart cleaning bots. It's a gold rush for the next breakthrough algorithm. But who's in control? When AI makes decisions about hiring, inventory, or social interactions, where do we draw the line? The more we rely on autonomous systems, the harder it is to keep humans in the loop. Competition is fierce. Tech giants are battling over patents, data, and global reach. It's not just about market share, it's about shaping the rules of the AI era. Whoever controls the smartest robots controls the future of labor, logistics, and creativity. The stakes are massive. Even small businesses and gig workers feel the shift as robots take on jobs we barely noticed before. The ripple effects are everywhere. As Bezos's AI fund, Musk's chip fortress, and Zuckerberg's digital doppelgangers rise, one thing's clear. We're not just living through a tech revolution, we're living through a robot revolution. The pace is relentless, the impact is everywhere, and the future, it's being built by robots, right now. The question is, are we ready for it? Let's keep going. Now, let's talk about robots that learn like humans. Meet the Unitree G1, a humanoid robot that learned to play tennis in just 5 hours. That's right, 5 hours from zero to rallying volleys. The secret? Reinforcement learning. G1 watches, tries, fails, and tries again. Just like a real athlete. Its neural networks process feedback in real time, adjusting grip, timing, and movement. It's like watching a toddler learn to walk, but way faster. And it's not just tennis. In Poland, Unitree robots herd wild boars away from farmland. Robot cowboys using cameras and sensors to guide animals out of danger. The Unitree H1, another humanoid, recently hit Olympic-level speeds, running, jumping, and pivoting with balance and coordination. H1 can climb stairs, navigate obstacles, and even dance. We're getting closer to humanoids that move and adapt like us. If robots can learn physical skills this quickly, there's almost no limit to what they can do. They could be trainers, therapists, or even teammates. Imagine a robot tennis coach that learns every trick overnight. But this learning ability raises questions. How do we ensure robots learn the right behaviors? What if they pick up bad habits? The same algorithms that make robots flexible also make them unpredictable. And learning isn't limited to physical skills. With the right software, robots can master languages, social cues, and even emotional responses. The line between human and machine is blurring, not just in what we do, but how we learn. What's driving this? Data. The more robots practice, the more they improve, and those lessons are instantly shared across the network. One robot learns, all robots benefit. It's crowdsourced evolution at lightning speed. Every new challenge pushes these humanoids to get smarter. We're watching the birth of a new kind of intelligence. These advances could free us from repetitive or dangerous jobs, giving us more time for creativity. Or, if we're not careful, they could push us out of the loop. As Unitree's G1 and H1 blaze new trails, the real question isn't just what robots can do, but what role we want them to play. The future is learning, fast. Let's bring it home. Robots aren't just flashy demos, they're changing how we work, produce, and learn. BMW's new Aeon humanoid works alongside humans on the assembly line, lifting heavy parts and spotting defects faster than any technician. Across China, schools are introducing robot teachers, interactive, adaptive, and capable of leading classes and tutoring students. Kids are growing up with robots as part of the team. Then there's robots as a service. Businesses rent robotic labor as needed. Need a building cleaned or a warehouse inventoried? Order a robot, pay by the hour, and let it work. It's Uber for machines. This shift is transforming industries, manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, agriculture. Robots handle toxic chemicals, perform delicate surgeries, and manage supply chains with unmatched precision. The upside? Massive efficiency gains, lower costs, and new possibilities for innovation. Small businesses can now access tech that was once out of reach, but there are downsides. Job displacement is real, and as robots get smarter, pressure on human workers grows. The challenge is finding new roles where human creativity and judgment matter. Can we trust robots to make ethical decisions, especially in sensitive fields like healthcare or education? The more we automate, the more we need oversight and accountability. There's a push for robot literacy, teaching people to work alongside machines, not just compete. That means new skills, new training, and a new mindset about work. As robots as a service grows, expect more flexible, on-demand deployments. Companies can scale up or down instantly, responding to market changes with agility. But with all this change comes risk. Security breaches, bias, and malfunctions can have huge consequences. As BMW's Aeon joins assembly lines and Lucid Drone Tech brings robots to your doorstep, we're seeing a new economic era. The future of work is here. The real question, how do we make sure it works for everyone? We've explored China's Wolfpack army, big tech's robot revolution learning humanoids, and the impact on industry. The robot revolution isn't a distant possibility. It's happening now, changing every level of society. Technology is advancing fast, and the implications go far beyond convenience. It's up to us to decide how these machines fit into our lives. Will we guide the rise of robots with wisdom, or let momentum carry us somewhere unintended? The choices we make now will shape the world our children inherit. The robot revolution isn't coming. It's already here. Are we ready for a world run by machines? Like, subscribe and turn on subtitles for more on the future of tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.